Solar Optimist Club of Verdugo took to the bowling lanes for a day of fun in a fundraiser for breast cancer awareness at Pickwick Bowl in Burbank. Your position in the...
Immediate past president of SITV and current chairperson for the Strikes and Spares event.
Okay, yeah.
Solar Optimist International is an international organization for professional women helping the lives of women and children all over the world. So we basically help people or women and children who are suffering from different issues that women are facing all over the universe.
Today we're doing our annual major fundraising event for breast cancer. And what we do here is the profits or proceeds, 100% of what, 80% of what we get go to breast cancer patients, directly to breast cancer patients, and then 20%, whatever's left, go to some other clubs, some other club projects benefiting women and girls.
This is Kai.
What's your involvement today?
Well, I'm one of the Soroptimist husband. So Soropta husband. Well, today we're raise money for breast cancer awareness.
Are you enjoying yourself?
I am very much enjoying myself.